Coleman is a school of about 400 students sitting here in Midtown St. Joseph. I think one of the things that is most notable about Coleman is the diversity. We have students here from many different countries. 35% of our students speak another language besides English, some of them as their first language. And so it's really a beautiful place to come and see students from all over the world. Our staff for the first time has also become a little more diversified in that we have hired some international teachers here in our building. We have 3 teachers currently from the Philippines and 1 teacher from Jamaica that are also working with our students, and that has been a great learning opportunity for all of us as well. I think our staff does a great job of wrapping their arms around kids and taking care of kids. With as many students receiving additional support through our ELD teachers, through our other academic interventionists, teachers have to be really good at communicating with each other and working together to do what we need to do to support kids and to help kids learn.
It's very family-oriented here. The staff, we wrap around our families. Our families need sometimes extra support. We wrap around them, we find that. You know, we do so much more than teaching. We help each other, you know, everybody on staff. If I need something, I know I can turn to my staff and they're gonna be there to help me with whatever I need. Our families know that. If they need something, they'll call us and they know that we're there to help them find that. They come with so many unique ideas and unique backgrounds. We use that in the classroom. You know, we use that so that they can have that support to build off of. We use that so that they have background in whatever we're teaching. We're always looking for things in their cultures to bring into our lessons so that it is applicable to them.
I got here in kindergarten and I just liked how all the teachers were just really nice, and then all the kids here are also really nice.
Coleman is really good and the staff is like really friendly and helpful here. Not many people came from Mark Twain to Coleman, and then so I didn't know really anyone, and then I made friends pretty quickly because they're all really kind here.
I started learning Spanish for some of my friends, so I do know a little bit of Spanish, and my friends also do teach me a little bit of Spanish, and I think it's just really fun to like see everybody else's culture and stuff.
That is something I hear frequently from substitutes, from other visitors that come in, that we just really have a great group of kids. And so I appreciate the hard work that our staff does to model that for our students and to teach students good manners in addition to the work their parents do too.
We are a family. They're my family during the classroom day, and they know they can come to me for anything. And all the teachers here feel that way.